in the morning to the mockingbirds tree. La la la, diddly, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on a mockingbird hill. When the sun in the morning dips over the hill and kisses the roses around my windowsill, and my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds on the treetops on Mockingbird Hill. La la la, diddly, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird trill. La la la, diddly, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on a mockingbird hill. When it's late in the evening, I climb up the hill and survey all my kingdom while everything's still. Only me in the sky and an ordinary wheel, singing song in the twilight on Mockingbird Hill. La la la, diddly, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. La la la, diddly, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on a mockingbird hill. La la la, diddly, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. La la la, diddly, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on a mockingbird's hill. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. It happened in old Oklahoma when night lit a beautiful moon. A blossom in old Oklahoma, two hearts were beating in tune. Love faded away with me, darling, and left me here all alone. Left me to find for my darling, and once was my own. Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon
banso. Certified a chick boy ni Mang Boyet, patulan na uray bayanyat itsura na minsan nga aldaw na booking ni bakit na nga ada sa Bali akakip-kibin na. Ay Mang Boyet na alakan at kararag kakinaglimengkan, di bakit mo sarsarakin naka at daigim na abadang kung kumagamin tinipelam na arep mo nga ang laplapusanan ay awag ko mati problemam tatimigre nga asawa. Di Mang Boyet na tangken ti ulo na, di ang nakem oray palken ni bakit na gapo di